Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Amazfit GTS 2. In today's video we will see what we have in the box, what we have in the software, all the options. We will run some tests and see if it works really good, and we will talk about the specifics. We will see what job does this watch do. So stay tuned for that in our channel, and in the next video we'll see how to connect it with iOS and Android as well. So let's begin here immediately. As you can see, the box itself is really good. You can see Amazfit GTS 2 and the GTS 2 at the bottom, the logo. We have a couple information in the box itself as well as in the back of the box. The box is wrapped up with this plastic, as you can see. Very good protection and very good package from the Amazfit. We have to give that. The box inside of it contains the watch itself. Let's pull this out, and as you can see at the side we have two separate boxes. The watch is with plastic wrapped up. Again, we have the user manual in different languages, and that is again a good benefit to have. And in the second box we have the charger itself. So this is the box of the GTS in just a couple of seconds. Let's peel this off and start the GTS, see what we got. So you can see the GTS 2 has a 1.25-inch color AMOLED display with 3D curved design and 7 days typical use battery life, 5 hours continuous Bluetooth calls, and we have 25 hours continuous GPS, 20 days basic use. In the GTS we will find Alexa built-in, storage for music, always on display, different faces, and plenty of health monitoring like 12 different built-in sports, 24-hour heart rate, blood oxygen, PAI, sleep, stress, etc. The GTS 2 is 580 m waterproof, so that means you can go swim with it. You can see at the first page we have this very beautiful face that we can change later. At the top we have time, date, percentage of battery, weather. We have some shortcuts for torch, brightness. You can see automatic or manual. Either way it will work perfectly. We have do not disturb or battery save. We have here the battery save mode, screen lock, press and hold the button to unlock it. After that we have the find phone option, we have the volume. We will try later how it will sound. We have here the theater mode, and we have the battery life warning as well. So this was the taskbar. In the left we have the shortcuts starting from alarms, or the music now that we have right here. The shortcuts contains a bunch of stuff useful as well. We have here the music. As you can see, the music, you can use it as the music control from the phone or the music storage that you have in the watch. As you can see, it plays immediately, and you can change the music in your phone or lower the volume, raise the volume, etc. We have alarms, weather, PAI, heart rate, activity goal, and the blood oxygen at the bottom. In the right we have the PAI, that we have some achievements, activity goals, heart rate that we will try later, weather. You can see we have quite a few information about weather. As I said, as you can see, this is the first song that is in the storage itself of the watch. You can see the volume is all the way. It sounds really good. We can download more songs and upload them from our phone, or play the songs from our phone, just control them with our watch. Either way it works perfectly. You can see you can change the songs here at the audio source. You can add to favorite, add to running, my playlist, and we have the Bluetooth at the bottom. At the Bluetooth, when you sign it, when you connect it with your phone, you can use your phone's data or songs. Down below we have the notifications, and when you press the button you will enter the app list. As you can see, PAI, heart rate, blood oxygen, and workout. At the workout we have outdoor running, walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, and Actually, the button doesn't work like the rotation button in the other smartwatches. We have treadmill, indoor cycling, pool swimming, open water swimming, climbing, trail running, skiing, and free training. Also, we have more workouts that we can add here, and we have the edit list where we can edit the order of the sports. After the workout, we have activity, stress, activity goal, music, weather, alarm, event, widgets, and the settings. We have at the settings watch faces that I said we can change, or we can download more in the app, and we will see that in the how to connect video later. After that, we have network and connection, display and brightness. You can see we have quite a few information or options here. We have the vibration and notifications, user preferences that we can change some things, and we have the system at the bottom. So this is the GTS 2 software. Let's go ahead and try some of the options that we saw before. Heart rate is the first option to try here. As you can see, it already measured our heart rate, and we have the stage of heart rate with that circle, as you can see, from the blue all the way to the red. You can see some statistic down below here, and you have more data in the app, as I said already. That was the heart rate. Let's try the blood oxygen now. As you can see, we have maintain still, have the screen facing up, place your arm horizontally on the table so you have more accurate data. You can see the data at the top is filling up. We have the final result and some statistic, as well as the statistic in the app. So here at the workout, as you can see, the GPS is positioning. We have already started, as you can see the time at the top, seconds going underneath it, and we have the distance, pace, heart rate at the bottom, heart rate stage, as we saw at the heart rate option. In the second page, we have advanced pace, cadence and speed, advanced speed, altitude and total climbing, totals ascending, total disascending, and in the right we have here the music control. At the left we have lock screen, voice, pause, or end the workout session. So these are all the options that we have from the workout, and also we have the all day stress data, as well as minimum and maximum, etc. All these data will be saved in the app. So basically this is what we have in the GTS 2. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If you have any questions, suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for your attention. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.